Afternoon, everybody. This is Nelca Roco again, and another comment or question from our YouTube subscriber. This is from Mr. Dominic Chow. He asked me, "Hi Nelca, I found that while starting to draw in Dialux, I could not move the drawing freely, zooming in or out to draw precisely. I don't know whether it's due to the mouse or what. Can you advise?" Okay, I think I like to share with you this question because this is very important, and I think most of the first user of Dialux Evo encountered this scenario, and it's very important to tell you how and why it is happening. Okay, so he said that it's really hard for him to draw and to zoom in on or zoom out in the drawing. And I answered it very short and I said, check your scale. Okay, let's go and see how it goes. Okay, so I have a Dialux file here and it has a drawing. And this is very good because if I zoom in or zoom out, you can easily see the drawing, right? Zoom in, zoom out. Yeah, good. I can see it. And if you go to this plan tab, and if I, for example, change this one tab of drawing here into, say, kilometer, because right now it's millimeters. If I change it into kilometer, look what will happen. Ta-da! Yes, boom. I can see my drawing, but I cannot find my building now. Because my building is now becomes teeny tiny bitty and I don't see it now. See? I can see it here, but if I zoom in, zoom out, now it's gone. So Dominic Chow, go and check your scale. That is the only problem why you encountered it. Okay, so how to correctly do that? Before you import your drawing to Dialux Evo, make sure you know the scale of the drawing. Just measure the door. If the measure of the door says 900, it means it's in millimeter. If the door measures, say for example, 0.9 or 1 meter, then it's in meters. Okay, so I will change this kilometer now into millimeters because my drawing is actually millimeters. So I'll go and zoom in and zoom out and it's perfectly okay. Right, so that's it. So for those who are beginners in the Dialux, do not worry so much about it. It's just the scale. Make sure you scale your drawing properly before importing in your Dialux. Not only the scale, clean it first because sometimes there are so many drawings around it that you don't need. Sometimes on the other side of your screen, there's one dot or even one little text which some CAD operator messed up. So just clean the drawing. Make sure you open all those locked and blocked layers and then clean it before importing in Dialux Evo. All right, I have a video about that. I think it's part of the Dialux Evo for beginners. And if you want to know more about it or how to use the Dialux Evo properly, go and check my Udemy course, the Dialux Evo for beginners. And if you're not familiar with AutoCAD, go and check my basic AutoCAD for lighting designers. Okay, so go and check these courses. All right, Dominic, see you again on the next video, and I hope to see you in my courses.